In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an AI agent without coding. Zapier Agents tutorial. 5 minutes. We'll build a practical AI agent in Zapier from scratch, and by the end, you'll have something that can think, take action, and pull in live knowledge, all without writing a single line of code. Start by logging in to your Zapier account. Once you're in, head to the left sidebar and open the Agent section. This is the dedicated workspace for creating AI-powered assistants that can use your apps and data securely. Create a new agent, then choose Start from Scratch. Templates are helpful once you're familiar with the tool, but starting clean gives you full control and helps you learn the essentials. Begin by describing what you want the agent to do in plain English. Think of this like a job brief. Be specific about the role, the tasks it should handle, and any boundaries. For example, you are a support assistant, answer common questions using our docs, summarize tickets, and escalate edge cases. Be concise, cite sources when possible, and ask for clarification if information is missing. Clear instructions dramatically improve results. Next, add a tool. Tools give your agent permission to act in other apps, sending messages, updating spreadsheets, creating tasks, and more. Connect only what's necessary and review permissions so the agent has just the access it needs. If you're testing in production accounts, use sample or sandbox data first to avoid unwanted changes. Now add a knowledge source. This lets the agent find, analyze, and summarize up-to-date information from places like Google Drive or Notion. Choose the folders or pages that matter, and keep the content organized and readable. Short, well-titled documents work best. If your files change often, make sure the connection stays synced so responses remain accurate. Set a trigger for when the agent should run. You can keep it manual while you experiment, or choose an automated option like a schedule or an event from another app. Align the trigger with your use case. For instance, run hourly for monitoring tasks or on demand for chat-style help. Finally, test and monitor. Use the built-in preview to try realistic prompts, check the reasoning and logs, and confirm the agent only uses the tools and data you've allowed. If results feel off, refine your description, tighten permissions, or narrow the knowledge sources. Small adjustments can make a big difference. Save your agent, keep iterating, and you're ready to deploy. Enjoy building.